Hello, welcome back. So in this our series of Python with Google Cloud, so mostly whenever we are working in Google Cloud using Python, we either work mostly on a Google Compute Engine or a cloud storage bucket. So we already started working on a compute engine, how to create compute engine VM, how to delete compute engine VM, or how to restart VM, and other operations like creating the disk, attaching the disk. Now I will start working on a storage bucket. So first we'll see how we can create storage bucket using Python in Google Cloud, and then we'll see how we can create an upload file or how we can upload file to the storage bucket using a Python. So I already created code to create storage bucket. So this part is common where we are using a service account key to authenticate, and here I have mentioned two variables. First is a project name, that is my current project, and this is the bucket name I want to use. So let me first go to a storage and I'll show you the available buckets first. So here I have three buckets, bkt-dev-000. So I want to create one more bucket, 001. So let me just put it 001, and here I am defining the client for storage client. So for compute we used a compute client. So if I go to compute and scroll down, so here we used compute instance client, okay, for creating or doing any operation with a Google Compute Engine. For storage we'll use a storage client. So that thing we need to remember, or anyway whenever you need you can easily find it on Google. So here I need to create buckets, so I'll create a storage client here, and here I created a bucket object using a bucket method. Okay, and here I am giving the bucket name which I already mentioned in this variable. The location I am using a US, so it will create a multi-regional bucket. So let me execute this code. First I'll create bucket and then I'll show you how we can upload object to the bucket. So it's too quick, so it created bucket. So let me go and refresh. So currently here there is no bucket with -001. Let me refresh. It's not created. So okay, we missed a main method here. So we need to create method bucket dot create. So here we'll mention project id is equal to project id, and location we already mentioned. So location we can say as a US. Okay, let me run it again. So let's see, I think this is only a project, not project ID. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, now you could see here it created a bkt-001 bucket. Now I want to upload one file to this bucket using a Python. So say I want to upload this create VM file. So how I can do? So I'll just first create a blob. So blob, this will mention or create reference for our object which will upload into the. So I'll just give the name create vm.py. So this will be your name which you will be uploading, or the name once your object is uploaded to the bucket. So it is not necessary that this name should be same in your bucket as well. So it's up to you how you can want to put that name. Now I'll open the file. So I want to upload this file. Now this should be your file which you want to upload, and I will open this file. Now we'll upload using method. Okay, let's see if it will succeed or it will throw an error. So now this will say bucket already exists, so let me comment it. Okay, so this is just a print statement, you can ignore. And let me refresh if object is uploaded here. Okay, and you could see this create vm.py is uploaded here. Now I want to delete this file. Okay, so how I can do that? So let me first comment this upload part, and here we already created object blob, so I'll just mention a blob dot delete method, so it will delete this blob create vm.py. So let me execute this again, and it's deleted. Now let's validate. So let me refresh it and it should disappear. Okay, so this file is deleted. So this is very simple operation. We'll perform more complex operation as we move ahead. So that was the simple operation to create and upload objects to bucket. So that's it for this video. I'll share this code in a GitHub repo. So thank you for watching this video.